In this tutorial, we'll learn how we can use date hierarchy in our chart. So for that, we'll need a chart, we'll take profit, please step on the chart. On x-axis, we'll take date. So you see that it has a hierarchy. First, we have year, quarter, month, and day. If we want to remove the hierarchy and use the normal dates, so we can switch from here, click on add, and we have date hierarchy and date. So here we have all the dates. And now if we go back and switch to hierarchy, okay, see the hierarchy. We can also create the hierarchy based on our data. Like if we want to create hierarchy of category, and inside these categories, we have subcategories. So we can also display our data according to that. Furniture, these items, office supplies. Then we have technology items. Here. So this way we can also create a hierarchy based on our data.